Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of small form factor power supplies with the TF550B, a flex ATX 550W unit designed for POS systems, AJOs, and those compact mini ITX gaming rigs. First impressions are important, and the fully modular design is a huge plus. It allows for only the necessary cables to be connected, reducing clutter and improving airflow within a small case. This is crucial in a flex ATX environment where space is already at a premium. The 550W power rating is quite impressive for a flex ATX unit. It provides ample headroom for many modern CPUs and GPUs, making it suitable for more than just basic systems. The full voltage support of 110-220 VAC is also a welcome feature, ensuring compatibility across different regions without needing to worry about voltage switches. This PSU is designed for versatility, fitting into POS systems, AIO desktops, gaming servers, and, of course, those beloved small form factor mini ITX builds. The compact size is the key here, allowing to squeeze into cases where standard ATX power supplies simply won't fit. The fully modular design is worth reiterating. It simplifies cable management, which is often a nightmare in small cases. By only using the cables needed, airflow is improved, and the overall build looks much cleaner. While testing, the PSU ran relatively quietly, even under moderate load. Of course, fan noise is subjective and depends on the overall system configuration and ambient temperature, but it didn't stand out as particularly loud during testing. Overall, the TF550B Flex ATX 550W power supply appears to be a solid option for anyone building a compact system. The fully modular design, ample power, and full voltage support make it a versatile choice for a variety of applications. If you're in the market for a Flex ATX PSU, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.